For iOS 27 installed on your iPhone, open the Health app on your iPhone. Open the Browse tab and find Sleep Settings. Under the Sleep, scroll to your Schedule section and tap on Full Schedule and Options. Under the Additional Details section, tap on Wind Down Time and change the duration from 0 minutes to 3 hours before sleep schedule. In iOS 26, under the Summary section, tap on Sleep Score. Tap on Sleep and scroll to your Schedule section. Find the Full Schedule and Options section. Under the Additional Details section, find Wind Down Time Duration and tap to change it. Changes applied to all devices signed in with the same Apple ID. If you have any questions, then comment below, and like this video if you found it helpful.